To speed up your workflow in any application, using shortcut keys is a good idea. So to do that over here in CapCut as well, you need to go around under shortcut right here to know what the shortcut keys are. And over here you can see that there's different shortcut keys that you can utilize. For example, there's split Control B right here. So if I were to go around over here and if I were to press Control B, then it's a split right here. But I can also go around and change around the shortcut key as I like. Let's say, for example, I want to make it Alt Control B right here. Then you can simply type it in as you select it and click on Save right here. And now, if I were to go around, I can press Alt Control B right here. And that splits the clip out, as you can see. You can also go around and reset it out to default so that the shortcuts are as it is. So these are shortcuts, one as you can see, and you can change around the shortcut variations as you like as well. So now the split becomes Control K, as you can see right here. Similarly, select leftward is Shift A, as you can see right here, and split mode is C right here, and then out is O, and so forth, as you can see right here. So in point, out point, next cut, and everything right here. For the player, you can see that the play and pause is space right here, so you can also go around and make it Y as well, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say Y, and if I were to go around and press Y, now is the play right here. So similarly, you can go around and customize it, everything as you like, as you can see. Let's just go around and reset this. On the basic as well, you can see that there's cut, copy, and paste right here, and there's export still frame where there is no shortcut assigned, but you can go around and let's say, for example, Control Alt Shift E right here, or let me just go around and say Control Alt E right here. Then you get the export still frame option right here. So apart from that, you can see that there's others as well, just like this, and you can reset everything out to default as well and select the shortcut one. And that is how you can utilize the shortcut keys and even customize out the shortcut keys as you like to speed up your workflow inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe